Welcome back, everyone. This week, we'll be taking a look at a cocktail called the Rough Diamond, courtesy of a company called Shaker and Spoon. Now, if you've never heard of Shaker and Spoon, they're a subscription box company that aims to bring the joy of making a cocktail from the bar into your living room. Basically, every month, they're going to be looking at one particular spirit, and they'll send you all the ingredients you need, except for the alcohol, unfortunately. That you'll have to provide yourself. So let's see what they've got for us this week with the Rough Diamond on this very fancy recipe card that they'll send you. So, according to Shaker and Spoon, the Rough Diamond is a floral, fruity, and truly a sipper of great beauty when enjoyed hot or cold. You'll be the anointed star of the ski lodge as you serve either version of Nicholas Hogan's bright and winter-warming whiskey delight. Let's see what Shaker and Spoon has in store for us, shall we?